Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show how to color 4 different types of lipstick. Let's start drawing. I will draw the outline of the lipstick with the black color. Which color, friends? Black color. Yes. Lipstick number 1. Lipstick number 2. Lipstick number 4. So here is our 4 types of lipstick drawing ready. I will color it now. So let's color together. First one is pink color. Second one is orange color. Orange color lipstick. Third one is yellow color. Yellow color lipstick. After that, the fourth one is green color lipstick. Now I will color the 4 lipsticks body with the peach color. What color is this? This is peach color. Peach color. Here is our lipstick ready. Please like, share and subscribe.